गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरी। जो सतलोक ले जाएंगे वो साधु कोई और।
Virtuous souls, this immortal story that is being narrated to you is the Satyanarayan story. And the stories that we had heard before were not Satyanarayan stories. The meaning of Satyanarayan Katha is Satyanarayan. Sat means imperishable, which is never destroyed. True God, true Sahib. We call him Sat Sahib. And earlier we used to call him Satyanarayan. What is the meaning of Narayan? God who is seated on the water. That supreme God who is Narayan is Kabir Dev, Kabir Sahib. One who comes and sits above the water on the lotus flower is Satyanarayan. He is the imperishable God. We call him Sat Sahib, like Sahib. It is said he is so and so Sahib. He is the minister, Prime Minister Sahib. We call Sahib while speaking. It sounds good to speak Sahib. So call him Sat Sahib or Sat Sahib. It is the same thing. So Sat Sahib means God, Satyanarayan. Satyanarayan God. Sat means true, imperishable. So whom we considered as Satyanarayan and used to listen and narrate their stories, they were not Satyanarayan. They were not imperishable like Vishnuji. Shri Vishnuji, Shri Brahmaji, Shri Shivji were perishable. So till now we had neither the knowledge of Satyanarayan nor of Satlok. It has been said in Gita Ji chapter 18, verse 62 that Arjun, by all means you go to the shelter of that supreme God. With his grace only you will attain supreme peace and eternal supreme abode. By grace of the same supreme God, the eternal supreme abode and supreme peace is attained. As long as there is birth and death, the soul cannot have peace. You see, any creature on this earth, no one is in peace. We used to think that the kings would be very happy. There is no human on the earth as sad as them. Believe it to be true. It is not possible for them that they don't rule because it is written in their destiny. It is luck. They have previous virtues. As a result of those virtues, they have got this problem. Just like the head of a small family in which there are 5-7 members, how stressed he remains in making arrangements for them. Somebody has fallen ill, have to buy clothes for someone, have to pay someone's fees. Then someone is to be married. If the marriage does not happen, then he worries, then there will be further problems. If there is no son, then there is problems. So the point is he remains unhappy nurturing his small family even in dreams, and the king becomes the head of a very big area. He becomes the father. The king is the father of the public. And how much worried he remains. If some area is flooded, then the king gets shocked. If there is an accident somewhere, then he has a problem. Somewhere he has to build something. Somewhere the unrest has spread. Some MLA is thinking of breaking up and he is not able to sleep. So God says that there is no peace here to any creature. The poor think rich are happy. Rich people think The king is happy. The king thinks that it is told there will be happiness in heaven. Believe this to be true. These kings do not have happiness even in dreams. He is not happy and they think there is happiness in heaven. The useless things which we consider as pleasure are not happiness. God said,
झूठे सुख को सुख कहे ये मान रहा मनमोद, ये सकल जबीना काल का कुछ मुख में कुछ गोद। बेटा जाया खुशी हुई बहुत बजाए थाल, ये तो आना जाना लगा हुआ है जो कीड़ी का नाड़।
Now the kings think that there will be happiness in heaven. Now see the misery of the gods of heaven. Read their history in the Puranas. Sometimes there is a war of demons and deities, gods and devils, monsters. Sometimes the gods were defeated. Sometimes the demons were defeated. Indra, who is the king of heaven, ran away leaving the throne and demons occupied heaven. He is wandering hungry and thirsty somewhere in the forest. And Indra thinks that Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh would be happy. They are the head of one department each in 3 worlds.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।